The HF Elliptical coil from XP. Originally designed as a gold nugget hunting coil, but many of us have adapted this coil to suit our sights. Today I'm on a large pasture field. I'm going to be using the HF coil, but not on the whole field, just this little top corner where a few Roman coins have come up in the past. Now we've gone over it with quite a few machines and I don't think there's much more left, but I'm going to give this HF coil a try using a higher frequency and let's see what comes out. Now you see I've reduced the reactivity a little bit just to give me a little bit of ground feedback. If I went into the hot program and turned the reactivity up to 3, it'll quieten the coil down a little bit too much for my liking. But obviously if you're on a really junky site, you can use a higher reactivity. Just for example, let's go down to reactivity 2 now, and I'll let you listen to the sound of the machine. See, it's livened it up a bit. Now we've done all this by adjusting the reactivity. In fact, I could work with reactivity number 2, no problem at all. So here we go then, we're approaching the little patch. That's iron, obviously. I've got lots of low tones coming out now. Still a little bit on the iron side. But I will dig some of these suspicious signals shortly. Good number. That's a nice sweet sound. Coming up a very respectable 74. That is just what we're looking for. Whoa, it's dry underneath there, look. It's gone quieter, I must have moved it. It's dropped down the hole, I'm guessing. See if we can get anything on the probe. There it is, look, in my hand, and it's looking, excuse the state of my gloves, and it's looking very, very Romanish. So I can't tell you how many times we've been over this little patch. The elliptical coil has had our first target, and that's only been literally 5 minutes detecting, so I'm really impressed with that. Probably about 4 or 5 inches deep, which was very respectable. A nice soft repeatable sound, and that's what we're looking for. That's all I need to find today. I'm chuffed to bits I've actually pulled one out. But I'm going to carry on a little bit more, see if I can get 1 or 2 more. That'd be great. Iron one way, but there is something there, isn't there? Best thing to do is just quickly dig it out, see what we got there. Still in the hole. Bring that round for you to see. Just a little squeak down the bottom there. getting closer, I think. Now this could be something on edge because pinpointing it was a little bit tricky, or it could be, well, it could be anything really, let's face it. But I'm wondering if it's a bit of misshaped iron perhaps. It wasn't a brilliant signal, and I'm still going down for it. I'm into the chalk now. It's like a chalk layer. Nearly there, miss. Is it silver? Oh, we're out. Here we go. Ferrous or non-ferrous? Oh, did you hear that? That was beautiful. Beautiful. Still in my hand there. Look at that. Look. Get out of the camera. Guess what? That's another one of those little Roman. Little squeaky signal, and we converted it to that. So that's 2 Romans so far. The elliptical coil is doing its job, that's for sure. Let's do a little bit more. Now I know what sort of signals to listen out for. Those slightly buzzy ones. I'm on a run now. What do you think to this one? Nice and quiet, very faint. Don't know if you can see that, but I'm getting 70s numbers coming up, but I'm not getting any reading on the XY screen at all. Little bit of iron about, but nothing too bad. Getting a bit louder. Get your nose out. Go, 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 go. Ah, wait, 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 wait. I'm going to pick the camera up now and just let you see this, which I think what I can see. Just there, look, see it? What do you reckon? Good? Yeah, good. It's another one of those little Romans. Excellent stuff. Well, to be honest with you, that was about half an hour since the last Roman. So this is Roman number 3. We've had to work for it, and I've been working a little patch just around here, probably about, I don't know, 20 meters square, something like that. Nothing really big. That's why the dog's got bored, because she's fed up with walking up and down in lines. So hopefully, guys, now you can see what the elliptical coil is all about. It's definitely a specialist coil. It's perfect for just winkling out those little targets. Perhaps you found some coins in an area before and just wanted to go over it again with a smaller coil, higher frequency. And that's what we've done today, and we've winkled out 3 little Roman coins. I'm really pleased with that. You can use this same coil for different applications: sidewalks, cellar holes, caves, forests, you name it. If you've got an area which is difficult to get a coil into, or you've got some small targets you want to find, this elliptical coil is certainly worth a try.